Yeah.
Notice down, runway 18 right, rails out of service. Advise on initial contact, you have ATIS information pop-up.
Papa, doors, door.
Lakefront Airport ATIS information pop-up. Time 1353 Zulu, wind 260 at 6, visibility 10. Sky conditions, scale layer at 2200, temperature 290, dew point 23, altimeter 3007. There's approaching use, landed and departed runway 18 right. Notice down, runway 18 right, rails out of service. Advise on initial contact, you have ATIS information pop-up.
All right, let's see, we got a trailer right there.
Yep.
We got a Cessna right here.
We're drilling real close because of your rotors.
Yeah. So, if anything, our out is just forward.
Yeah.
There's nothing. Yeah, nothing really.
Just ease it up and push it forward. Just remember the devil's triangle with the wind over there, okay? Get your tail away from everything. All right, now you can ease it to the right. There you go. Up with the left.
All right, we're clear on the right. We are 3Gs, we're top of T's, we're not doing WCs. We got fuel good for about an hour and 20.
At least, yeah. And we got Papa.
Papa, left traffic. You want to use 27 for quick stops and then get into it?
Yeah, that'll work.
Tower 447 plans to make this a full stop and will exit the first taxiway.
447, much appreciated. And when you're off, contact ground point 7. Thank you, sir.
We'll do 447.
Somebody on landing right now, get ready to touchdown.
7625, runway 18 right, line up and wait. Thanks for the patience.
On up only 18 right, so Julie
The fire truck's on the runway.
Yeah.
Lakefront Tower, helicopter 5360 Hotel from Signature with Papa would like to make left traffic to runway 27.
There's a plane on the side.
60 Hotel, Lakefront Tower, roger, hold position, traffic departing 18 right.
Hold position, 60 Hotel.
60 Hotel, got a little incident on 36 left. Everybody okay?
Dude.
Everyone's fine, we're just working on it now, getting them clear.
You like those people that slow down on the interstate to go look.
Foster, make right close traffic.
No, actually, I stopped and tell the cops and everything. Can you bring it over? I want to see the guy's body.
Julie 7625, 18 right, clear for takeoff. Fly runway heading for now, call your right turn out, wind 240 at 9er. Traffic about a mile and a half south of the field, making a right turn for the crosswind.
He's not taking off.
18 right, and we're rolling.
Yeah, he's right there. He's right
there. Watch this guy right here.
I got him.
Said he working on that. Do you see a plane?
Yes.
Okay. What did he say? I just said they're working on something.
They're just clearing it. They're working on clearing it. So whatever the emergency is, they're trying to get it out of the way.
All right. There's the twin up right now.
Helicopter 1 X-ray Delta, you still looking for Foxtrot? Would you like to go straight to the ramp or on 27 approach there to sidestep?
I could do the 27 approach side step to the Fox for the East Guard ramp. Whatever you need, man, to take you out of the way to traffic.
Helicopter 1 X-ray Delta, on the numbers, runway 27, clear to land, wind 240
Clear to land on the numbers 27 for 1 X-ray Delta.
Coast Guard Auxiliary 7625, that traffic is at your 1 o'clock at 9 or 100 feet in about a mile. Turn right, crosswind and downwind, you have in sight.
We got him inside 765.
A little bit of a...
7625, behind that
There's
traffic.
the helicopter.
Course, contact Noah's departure, man, outside the Bravo, see it.
Roger, we'll turn behind him now and go into departure. Thank you, 765.
It's hover practice.
Fine.
Helicopter 60 Hotel, we didn't forget about you. We'll get you going on this in a moment.
60 Hotel.
Bullshit, he did. Could have went up right after the Baron. He's coming here, I believe.
Yeah. That's it. That's a trailer.
Maybe. Some use or some don't.
A little bit of a gust there. wind has shifted to the 180 now.
Look at you.
Yeah, that's I'm looking at. It's now it's more of a well, if I had about a 180, yeah.
Cessna 800 Foxtrot,
We
18 right.
could transfer to Delta if it stays like that.
Clear for the option 18 right. Well, this one's actually going to be a full stop.
800 Foxtrot, roger.
People don't realize how much you're moving right now, your limbs.
Oh, yeah.
They think, you just hold it steady now. That wind's going to play a big factor in it. I mean, you're in the 40s right now, correct?
Yeah.
You're within the spot. Yeah, your nose moving a little bit, but you got to realize 1, 2 knots of wind will do that.
Yeah.
But you're not moving at all. That's great. Did he right click yet?
He just took off. He just...
Yeah, I got him.
Just took off.
Army 272, contact Knowles, departure, see ya.
Go to departure, see you later, 272.
Got a tailwind, too, which is... I think he's going to make us wait for the airbag.
Clear to taxi to ramp.
1 X-ray Delta A firm, reposition to the west guard ramp. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I was going to guard ramp.
There's a guard ramp?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. With helicopters?
Yeah, used to be.
Oh.
Oh, come on.
Why is the oil temperature bouncing like that?
That's new. See what happens.
Dude, I think that...
6 Air Tau, ready to go.
Helicopter 60 Hotel, taxiway Foxtrot, beam signature cleared for takeoff. Remain east of runway 18 right for landing traffic.
Okay, clear for takeoff east of 18 right, 60 Hotel. East of 18 right.
That's the big one.
So, which way do we go? Can't go that way. Well, I guess we got to go opposite direction.
6 Air Tau, it was cleared for westbound and come back for 927.
Helicopter 60 Hotel. Just fly northbound for now, and then I'll bring you around for 27.
Okay, 60 Hotel, we're on the go. We'll be northbound and then back for 27. All right, 3G's top of T. If that oil temperature is doing that, we'll come back, because that ain't right.
See what it does in a minute. Usually not hovering for that long.
We get this bird. Hey, went off the...
Looks like the gears are okay, huh?
Remember 89er Foxtrot, turn left when able, contact ground.
It's not a...
Warrior?
Yeah,
Blue and white Warrior.
Fixed gear.
Could have lost an engine. All right, Delta can work, or let's see, he cleared us for 97 just east of the long runway, so that's fine. So you're on a right base right now.
Confirm cleared the option 27 for 60 Hotel.
Helicopter 60 Hotel, runway 27, clear for the option.
27 cleared the option 60 Hotel. All right, we don't have 3Gs.
It's coming up. I've been heading to hover for 12 minutes before. Could have kept the temperature down a little bit. That's the guard hangar, the old U.S. Army Air Guard hangar. So they call it the guard hangar. That's the Bass Mitchell hangar. The big one over there is the McDermott hangar. And then you got Signature and Flightline.
And Tower, Meridian 55 Zulu Golf, currently at White Pip for the 18 right landing, 5 Zulu Golf.
Over 55 Zulu Golf, lakefront tower, runway 18
Okay,
right, clear to land.
we're done.
Wind 230 at 7.
You done?
I'm done. I'm fine with that.
Okay.
At 60 Hotel from 27, I'd like to hover taxi back to Signature.
Helicopter 60 Hotel, proceed as requested.
60 Hotel. Yeah, dude, you don't know what that gauge is doing.
All right. Sending it or something. I'll go ahead and put it in for maintenance.
Get them to look at the airspeed indicator too.
Okay.
Again. Yeah, I mean, there's no way to know if it's over temping. All All right, we'll
That's
clear.
the first time that happened.
I know. Well, it's the first time I've seen that too.
It was low, then it started to come up.
Yeah, now it's just, it's unreliable. That's the problem. That's okay. You got a week to fix it, so that's good.
Right.
Or today if they can get out here.
That I doubt.
Yeah.
As scarce as CFIs are, the damn mechanics are just as scarce.
Are they really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, I mean, maybe it's just me, but helicopters are scary as it is.
Yeah, I can understand that.
Yeah. That's too bad.
I wonder what made it bounce like that.
It's probably a bad connection or a frayed wire or something. So it's getting a signal, then it's losing the signal, then it's spiking the signal. That's my guess.
And a sending unit right on the end of the block.
I don't know. I didn't see anything when I pulled it apart, you know, when I looked into the
Yeah, but
valve,
actually,
but you can't see it from there.
I'd have trouble finding actually which one is the oil pressure or the oil temperature.
Yeah. Well, being a new engine, I just don't trust it. Not a new engine, but you know, well, all the shit we had.
Right. Well, all the overhaul we had.
All right. All the problems we've had so far. All right, this will be fun.
Just hang on to your pedals.
The devil's triangle here.
Was that you or that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
I'm catching it. More so than usual. There we go. All right, we'll cheat on this side, turn it around, put it down by the drain.
Yeah. Go as close as you want to that pad, even over that pad. Obviously, not over the plane.
Yeah, just don't let a skid hook it.
Right. Get her down a little bit. At the door right there, just something to kind of keep an eye on.
Good, look at it. It's spiking to 245. It has no idea what the oil temperature is.
Yeah.
How about right here?
Yeah.
Always that slope gets me.
Not expecting a slope on concrete like that.
Yeah, it just slides down. Okay. And now it's stable.
It says vibration somewhere for something.
It's loose. Something's loose in it.
Yeah.
That's what's causing it. You could look now. So they're going to have to, I don't know how you have to take it apart.
Well, like I said, the first thing the mechanic will probably do is look for the actual sending unit wire and make sure that's connected.
Yeah, get him to look at the pitot system while he's there.
Yeah.
All right, there's the throttle drop.
There you pull the clutch.
Seconds.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and get the car to work.
Okay. Well, that's disappointing, but you know, it's about risk management. Unreliable gauge like that, even though now it looks like it's working fine. In a helicopter, for me, not going to happen. I mean, just especially with a known engine problem that we've had. You know, they fixed it. It was underpowered, all that stuff. Get them to look at it. Get back to maintenance. Oil temperature. I mean, everything else was in the green, but you know, what if the oil temperature spikes? There's no way to know. What if we, you know, especially with a engine that's come out of maintenance in the last 100 hours. So Anyway, short lesson, but I think it's a important lesson. You know, when there is no doubt, that's why we say 3 G's. And if one of the G's isn't doing what the G should be, bring it back. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
Well, Lester, 2.5 hours left. This time we'll get some check ride prep done.
The last 2 hours, I mean, we'll practice the maneuvers and then we'll do the actual mock check ride, which is the 12 maneuvers that you have to do for the check ride itself.
Yep. Work on.
We'll get ready to go.
Get some proficiency in the autos and fix all that.
You're starting to go on after the book. That's fine. I just don't want you to concentrate too much on the gauges other than your rotor RPMs, because it's you know, it's a save your life maneuver. If the engine dies, that's why we practice it. You want to be able to visually see everything that's going on. Once everything gets set, you go right down and float all the way down.
That's good news. Being towed back.
That might be an end.
Nah. Looks like
Is it fixed gear?
that's fixed gear. Well, luckily they're okay. Anyway, well, Lester, we'll see you in a week. I'm gonna go fly the T-38 for a little while.
Be ready to rock and roll.
All right.